Hey friends, if you wish to enable spell check in the new Outlook app, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Outlook in the Windows search bar and then open Outlook. Now click on the settings app at the top right corner and then go to general. Go to privacy and data and wait for it to load. Now scroll down and then you can go to privacy settings. Now scroll down and there is an option here which says connected experiences that analyze your content. So you need to switch it on, and once you switch it on, the spell check will also be on. So we can test that. Okay, let's say that I want to type a content. Okay, and if I will type anything, you will notice a red line under it, which basically means that it is analyzing whether it is a correct word or not. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.